In today's video, we are going to have a look at summer related sentences in multiple languages, that's in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Without fail, press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. So let's dive into today's video. Let's get started. Number 1. It's sunny today. Let's learn the meaning in Hindi. आज धूप है. Now in Tamil, இன்னிக்கு வெயில் இருக்கு or இன்று வெயில் இருக்கு. Now in Telugu, ఈ రోజు ఎండగా ఉంది. And in Kannada, ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇದೆ. I repeat, ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇದೆ. Now second one, I am thirsty. In Hindi, मुझे प्यास लगी है. प्यास is nothing but thirsty. Now in Tamil, எனக்கு தாகமாக இருக்கு. எனக்கு தாகமா இருக்கு. In Telugu, నాకు దాహంగా ఉంది. నాకు దాహంగా ఉంది. And in Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now let's move on to the third one. Next one, I am sweating. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. मुझे पसीना आ रहा है. पसीना is nothing but sweat. Now let's learn to say this in Tamil. எனக்கு வேர்க்கிறது or எனக்கு வேர்க்குது. In Telugu, నాకు చెమటలు పోస్తున్నాయి or నాకు చెమటలు పడుతున్నాయి. Both means the same. In Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಬೆವರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, which means I am sweating in English. Now let's move on to the fourth one. Next, turn on the fan or switch on the fan. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. पंखा को चालू करो. पंखा is nothing but fan in Hindi. Now in Tamil, fan on பண்ணுங்க. In Telugu, fan ni on చేయండి. And in Kannada, fan na on ಮಾಡಿ. Next, number 5. How was the weather today? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. आज मौसम कैसा है? आज मौसम कैसा है? Now in Tamil, இன்று வானிலை எப்படி இருக்கு? இன்று வானிலை எப்படி இருக்கு? In Telugu, ఈరోజు వాతావరణం ఎలా ఉంది? ఈరోజు వాతావరణం ఎలా ఉంది? Now in Kannada, ಇವತ್ತು ಹವಾಮಾನ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? Sixth one, I cannot withstand the heat. Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. मैं गर्मी को बर्दाश्त कर नहीं सकता. मैं गर्मी को बर्दाश्त कर नहीं सकता. Now in Tamil, என்னால் வெப்பத்தை தாங்க முடியாது. In Telugu, నేను వేడిని తట్టుకోలేను. నేను వేడిని తట్టుకోలేను. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಬಿಸಿಯನ್ನು ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬಿಸಿಯನ್ನು ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Or you can also say as ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಿಸಿಯನ್ನು ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So both means the same. Next one, how was your summer vacation? Now let's learn this in Hindi. तुम्हारी गर्मी की छुट्टी कैसी थी? In Tamil, உன்னோட கோடை விடுமுறை எப்படி இருந்தது? உன்னோட கோடை விடுமுறை எப்படி இருந்தது? Let's learn this in Telugu. ఎండాకాలం సెలవులు ఎలా ఉన్నింది? In Kannada, ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ ರಜೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ರಜೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? So how was the session today? Please give me your feedbacks in the comment section. I hope you would have learned something new from today's video. Please hit a like and share with your friends and family members. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye bye and thanks for watching.